talking about godly relationship. Because you don't have knowledge, you don't know how to talk to the opposite sex. So as a guy, you do not know how to approach a woman. Like, you don't know how to make connection. You are quoting Bible. Let me tell you one story. Apostle Joshua Selma shared one story that he used to see one guy and one girl together in church all the time. You know, as a pastor is always in church, you just see two of them. Service is not going on, but two of them will just be in one corner there, inside the open church. But you just say, okay, they are safe. If church is where they will be meeting and be doing their discussion, I like it than for them to be going to one secret place. So he didn't understand. After a while, he was not seeing two of them. He now called his sister. I said, come, what's up now? I used to see you and this brother. Where is he? I don't see him again. He said, say, Papa, no mind now. I said, what happened? Say, Papa, no mind now. Nah, Jew man. I'm the one adding this one. Nah, Jew man. What happened now? Say, not sabi talk. What do you mean not sabi talk? I used to see people together. If we're not talking. Say, Papa, if you talk, now scripture, they quote. They quote scripture. He said, what do you mean quote scripture? He said, Papa, if you don't quote scripture, you're going to tell me about one message when you preach. So because you don't know how to talk to a girl. You cannot even compliment her. You can't talk about her hair. You can't talk about her clothes. You don't know. That's how I talk to. I hope she's hearing now. I was talking with one girl yesterday. I don't know. I can't pinpoint, but I know we're talking, Sha. Then it led to, I've never seen you before. Send a picture of you. Let me see. I don't need to send picture. And imagine, you don't need to send picture. In this day and time, you don't need to send picture. Again, thunder fire you. Get angry. Joy, am I too harsh? Because I'm saying this is they are affecting you. You are doing somehow. But it's true now. We're in this day and time. You don't send picture, and you want to marry. How do you want to marry? Like, I don't understand.
There was a time I passed
your head pastor, go ahead. Yes.
He did the simple listening.
Yes.
And then this kind of question came up.
Yes.
He then said that as a girl, he said you shouldn't send the pictures.
Okay.
But you should have a place where they can see the pictures.
Okay.
Like, for example, you should be able to link your WhatsApp to your Instagram.
Okay.
When somebody is chatting you,
yeah.
When I'm looking at your file, I see your Instagram, this thing, I
yes.
check your Instagram. Yeah. Rather than you sending the pictures.
Now, we are on the same context. This is why it's good to listen well and have context, right? I was headed this direction. But when I saw your reaction, I said, okay, let me hear you out. Do you understand? Let me hear you out. Now, listen. The same person that said I don't send picture, her Instagram is private. So you should not see that I was headed there. Her Instagram is private. She's nowhere to be found on the internet, which is like kind of good. I don't know if you're understanding my point. Like, we don't want a promiscuous girl. We don't want a girl that have 1.3 million followers. What do you do until you are just shaking buttocks? What am I doing with you? You are everybody's prostitute. Your Instagram is private. Don't chat with anybody. But meanwhile, with that private Instagram, you will like somebody's picture.